Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix removed disk or other media. Press any key to restart. So if you follow what I will say to fix this problem, there will be no more problems. So without wasting time, let's started. So first, check if you have an external hard drive or pen drive attached to the computer, or if there is, then take it out of the pen drive. The cause of this problem: if you have your computer connected to an external hard drive or pen drive, this problem must be guaranteed. You can see that this computer is attached to the pen drive, so this problem is happening again and again when you start the computer. What you can do is simply remove the pen drive or external hard drive. Now you can restart the computer or laptop by pressing the Alt plus Control and Delete button on the computer, but you must take out the pen drive and restart. After restarting the computer, your computer will start. And then enter and start Windows normally, your computer will be turned on. But if you restart the computer with a pen drive, it will show the same problem again. If you boot to format Windows on your pen drive, that's a different matter, but if you restart the computer with a normal pen drive, there will be a same problem, so you have to go to BIOS setting for permanent fix. Press F2 or Del button to go to BIOS settings. Once the BIOS settings come up, then go to the exit bar. After going to the exit bar, go to Load Optimal Defaults and press Enter button and OK. The reason for this is that your BIOS will be the same as before. Simple load optimized defaults solve all the problems in many cases. Then go to the Boot tab. Change the boot order and list your computer hard drive first. Then go to Boot USB device first and see if it is disabled or enabled. If enabled, you must disable it. After disabling, simply save the BIOS settings by pressing F10 on your keyboard. After saving the BIOS settings, your computer will restart. After restarting, your computer will be turned on without any problems. And then enter and start Windows normally, your computer will be turned on. After normally start Windows, your computer or laptop will start in a good way. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have difficulty understanding the tutorial, let us know in the comments box. Thank you.